Hi, classmates. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are in the world, whenever you're viewing this report, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Renee Margot Macasero from Section A, and I will be reporting Module 1 Communication Media Used in Development Work, focusing on object media. Object media, as the term suggests, they are tangible material that can be seen or felt. They are usually more engaging and very effective in low literacy or highly practical settings because learners can touch, see, and even sometimes use them directly. Nowadays, a lot of people prefer digital because it's more accessible. However, some people, including myself, still prefer tangible objects because by seeing, touching, and even interacting makes learning for me easier and more memorable. Samples of object media. We have real object, specimens, replica, model, mock-up, and diorama. I will discuss all the sample object media individually and give examples. When we say real object, it is a physical item that you can touch, use, and interact to. Example is practical training. It is for hands-on experiences. To promote Dubai Happiness Agenda, they are giving away free SIM cards for tourists upon airport arrival to enhance their experience and also to have immediate communication tool. Another one is every year during month of November to promote health and wellness, Dubai is setting up fitness equipment and conducting physical activities across recreational parks. Specimens. Specimens are sample of living or non-living things usually preserved or displayed for learning. A sample of polluted river water, tested in labs, and use the result to raise awareness about environmental issues. Animal remains and human fossil are used scientific and historical studies and are often displayed in museum to help the world understand our past. Replicas. Replicas are accurate copies of real objects. They can be smaller, larger, or even made of different material. This is a replica of Shroud of Turin displayed in Quiapo. The original is housed in Cathedral of St. John the Baptist in Turin, Italy. The Oblation statue of the University of the Philippines. It has multiple replicas installed across various UP campuses. A replica of a 5,500-year-old cacao bottle from Ecuador was gifted to the National Museum of the Philippines by the government of Ecuador, symbolizing ancient culture ties and the significance of cacao in early civilization. In these cases, authenticity isn't about always the original material. It's also shaped by how people see and understand it. Replicas aren't just copies. They hold symbolic, historical, and emotional value. They can represent faith, identity, and memory just as strong as the original. Models. Models are 3D scaled up or scaled down representation of real systems or structures. This is a model of a city infrastructure. It can help in urban planning by allowing planners to visualize and discuss development projects, such as new buildings, transportation systems, and public spaces. Model help us understand ideas that are too big, complex, or abstract to see in real life. For example, the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. It can be seen in photos or in person, but a scale model lets us explore its design and structure in a way that's easier for us to understand. Mock-ups. It is a three-dimensional model built to represent a design or concept before it's fully developed, and it's often used for testing. Mock-up phone shows the design and screen layout, while mock-up EV shows the shape and setup before it's built. An advertisement mock-up helps client to see how it will look like in real life. Diorama. Diorama is a three-dimensional, full-size or miniature scene that represent a specific environment, event, or moment in time. The word diorama comes from the Greek word dia, meaning through, and horama, meaning view or light. Together, the meaning is view through image. Diorama started by using light and perspective to create realistic scenes. Over time, the ideas evolved. And that is what we're seeing today in classrooms, museum, and exhibits. This is a diorama from Ayala Museum. Take us back to the start of the revolution against Spain in 1896. It shows the cry of Pugadlawin, a key event led by Andres Bonifacio and the Katipuneros. One recent example is this diorama from Japan Pavilion at Expo 2020. It featured a stack of manga and DVDs representing Japanese culture and symbolizing the buildings around the famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing in Tokyo. Conclusion. In my conclusion, object, mati- object media are powerful tools for communication in development work. They help make complex information easier to understand through visual, hands-on, and interactive experiences. While they do have limitations, such as needing resources, spaces, and expertise, they remain valuable for encouraging participation, improving understanding, and supporting behavior change. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.